Want to know how to auto scroll in CoinMaster? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your CoinMaster game and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created various videos regarding CoinMaster, so you can get help with playing the game and unlocking various stocks, so make sure to watch it. So you should be on this main menu and it should look something like this. And now once you're on this main menu, you should be seeing the CoinMaster spinner. So in order to spin it, you don't need to just click it once. What you can do is you can just simply hold on to it. So you can just simply select hold onto this red spin button and it should rotate automatically, as you can see right here. And once that is done, in a few tries you should be getting anything just like this. So you can just simply hold on to it and then attack just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.